Hi everybody, Lorraine here. So my last couple of Dutch pours that I did turned out so pretty that I decided that I'm going to do a little bit of a series of them. This is my pink. This had 4 or 5 colors of pink in it. Here's my yellow. It turned out so pretty. It's so shimmery. I don't know if you can see that. And that has about 4 or 5 different colors of yellow in it. And today I'm thinking orange. So what I have is lighter to darker. This is a Naples yellow. No, it's not orange, but it's on that end. This is a Master's Touch, simply orange. No, I'm sorry. This is the Master's Touch orange. This is the Master's Touch orange with a little bit of cadmium yellow light and a little tiny touch of titanium white. So I didn't have a copper, so I mixed this with some of my Extreme Sheen Garnet and 24 karat gold, and I put 1 blob of the Master's Touch orange in it to give me kind of an orangey copper. And then I have a neon orange. So let's see how this works out. Move these out of the way. Put down my white. Okay, so let's give this a try. I am going to start out with my darker orange. I mixed up very little paints because I don't use orange very much. And then I think I'll put a little bit of my copper metallic down. And my medium orange. Put a little bit of this neon. Ooh, that's bright. And some of my Naples yellow. And I'm going to flood my canvas. Just going to put it on this outside edge. Get it over there since I got a blob. And blow this out. Get over like that. Give it a torch to get any air bubbles out. I forget to do this sometimes when I'm doing these. Now we're going to blow it out. Put a little bit more white here because I want that to reach further. And that will help it flow. Maybe put a little bit more of my colors down. Ooh, I don't have much of this orange left. enough yellow in there. I don't know if I want more. Just a drop maybe. Drop of the copper. And I think I'm going to cover that up with my lighter orange. And I'll push that on out. It's pretty. Oh, I love it. Get a little bit of a torch. Get any remaining air bubbles out. And kind of want to change a couple of things here. Like that. A little bit softer on the edges. There we go. It's beautiful. Love it. Some really pretty little cells coming up in the edges here. Love it. Took my gloves off, so I'm gonna get my hands kind of messy. Showing you here. I hope you can see all these different colors. They're all so pretty. It looks definitely different on my camera than it does in person. So there we have it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. That helps me out too. So once again, I will see you next time. Bye.